and welcome to Digital Phoenix SEO here on YouTube. Now, today I want to talk about some common SEO mistakes that could be absolutely tanking your website ratings. So in this video, I'm going to break down the biggest SEO errors people make or businesses make, and more importantly, how to fix them fast. So I'm going to give you the do's, the don'ts of modern SEO using the 4 pillars we've talked about before. Optimize your site for more traffic, more leads, and more sales. So let's dive in to my top 10 tips, okay? So number one, let's talk about why SEO is crucial. SEO is what tells Google to rank you number one, which is ultimately what we all want to be here on Google. You know, we want someone to search for our product or our service or whatever we offer, and we want to come up as the number one person. So SEO is absolutely critical for that to happen. All right. So mistake number one is we ignore search intent. So what is our audience really looking for? How do I know what my audience is looking for? Well, you can obviously ask your audience, put a poll on Facebook or Instagram, or say, ask me some questions. You can use something like Uber Suggest or Answer the Public to get the whys. Think of what people are searching for around your product, what people are searching for around SEO. And that's how I came up with this video of what people want to know. Okay, so finding that out. And if you want to get more ideas on where you can find those, I do have a free little black book of SEO tools. So how I find my buyers, search intent, all the websites I use, and you can get it in the link below. Okay, so mistake number two, slow website speed. Google wants ideally a 1-second load time. You can get away with up to 2 seconds, but anything more than that, and your rankings will be killed. Like, site speed is that silent ranking killer. I mean, I know it sucks, but really it's doing you a lot of harm. If your site isn't loading fast, fix it ASAP. And if you need help, check out the links below. All right, mistake number three, you're not optimizing for mobile. So if you go to something like Page Insights, you can see the difference between how you rank on mobile and how you rank on desktop. And so many people, when I do their audits, they don't go and look at this data. They just see a load time, which is actually an average of your desktop and your mobile, and they don't go and check it out. Because if your site is not formatting correctly for mobile, it's got tons of JavaScript that has to reformat, all those kinds of things, you have a problem. And Google serves search results differently, depending whether it's on mobile or whether it's on desktop. Mobile first indexing is so important with Google in today's world. All right. Now, mistake number four, poor internal linking. So if you don't link to other pages within your site, within your articles, or within your pages, Google sees that as you do not have content that's relevant to each other. So when I am talking about SEO, I'll link to other SEO articles. When I'm working with home services business and I'm doing a blog post, I will link to the service pages that explain the blog post that I'm talking about. I'll always make sure there's a link to my contact us, okay? And also some external links will also help you too. So if there's something relevant or there's a study that supports your data or your story, make sure you link to that as well. All right, so mistake number 5 is not using structured data. Google has a love language, the same way my husband is quality time. Google has one too, and it's called schema. And all you have to do is put that in your website. There are so many different types of schema. I think there's like 80 or 100 different types now. But you can put FAQ pages, article, local business, all these kinds of things, and it tells Google what your site is about. Remember, it's that synopsis on the back of your book. It's telling Google what's inside of it. So make sure that's on there for you. Okay, mistake number 6, weak on-page optimization. No title tags, no meta descriptions, no information in your headers, no alt text in your images. Go fix those. There's super easy fixes that will help your rankings soar, but there's something that so many people miss, okay? And mistake number 7 is neglecting your local SEO. So think Google My Business profile. Is your profile optimized? Are you getting regular reviews? Do you have a huge network of people you could be getting reviews from? Because regular reviews is going to really boost your SEO rankings, okay? And by boosting SEO rankings, if you're running ads, they'll also reduce your ad costs. So another cool way to do it. And mistake number 8 is low quality backlinks. So it's quality over quantity. It's no good having 3,000 really crappy backlinks. You want to have 10 really strong ones from local businesses, from people with domain authority, for people who Google really ranks who are talking about your business. Super, super important things in there. All right. So there are the common 8 mistakes. And then my tip number 10 is go get your free SEO audit. I will prepare for you the exact audit that I give to my prospective clients for free. And I will email it out to you. And I'll also email you a video of how to interpret that audit, plus my little black book of SEO tools. So you can go to getmyfreeseoaudit.com and grab that. And let me know in the comments below which mistake you are making in your business. Is it search intent, slow website speed, not optimizing for mobile, poor internal linking, not using structured data, weak on-page optimization, neglecting your local SEO, or do you have low quality backlinks? Or maybe you have all of them. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. See you guys. Bye.